Hello there! Today I'll be talking about my favorite railroad paint schemes. Here we go with the video. Now let's get the obvious one out of the way. The Nashville and Eastern scheme. This goes for both of the U-boat paint schemes, 8541, the Nashville and Western locomotive. Now, even though that's the only painted one. The CF7s, the red CF7s, and then what the hell are you? The next one on this list is the Western Maryland Circus Scheme. I like how the red and white is, and then the tad bit of black. The next scheme on this list is a more obvious one, that being the R.J. Corman scheme. Like, look at the red and gray together. That's just so nice looking. So the next one on this list is the Nashville Chattanooga. What? Why are you calling me right now? Hello. I'm kind of working on a YouTube video right now. Who is this? What? Anyways, the Nashville, Chattanooga, and St. Louis Railroad paint scheme is definitely a good one with the red and yellow. I really like this scheme of how the yellow lines are on the front. To end the video off, the final paint scheme in this video is going to be the FURX ST40 Leaser paint scheme. Like, look at that green and silver together, and it looks nice. Can you stop calling?